So this is the elevator at McMillan Hall here at Washington University in St. Louis. They have a Kone.
Going up.
Code 3.
Third floor. Going down.
Back down to G.
Ground floor. Going up.
Curious to see here how far ML is up.
Mezzanine floor.
That literally just opens up right outside. Let's see what B is. I think this is a short level as well.
Basement. Going down.
So you're telling me the basement is halfway up this building? Okay.
Ground floor. Going up.
Well, that's rather interesting. Addition Hall. So, okay, this might just be an addition on. Still a rather interesting layout, though. That's it.